Hi, I'm Chef Randle here with BC Egg. Today, we're taking your favorite holiday flavors and wrapping them in a delicious twist. BC Turkey Dinner Empanadas with a zesty jalapeno lime cranberry sauce. It's a great way to use your leftovers. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you're gonna need some canola oil, turkey gravy, mashed potato, jalapeno jack cheese, fresh lime, cooked turkey, sea salt, jalapeno, sauteed Brussels sprouts, some traditional dressing, beautiful BC eggs, diced cold butter, some cranberry sauce, and flour. To start this recipe, we're going to start off with a flaky, beautiful empanada dough. Flour, in goes the butter, and I happen to have a pastry blender, but you can use a food processor, even a fork. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut until those butter pieces are about the size of a little pea. From here, we're going to add a pinch of salt. You probably recognize this if you ever made a pie dough. It's about the same thing, but except this one, we're going to make it a little bit richer with our incredible BC egg yolks. And one more. So here, all this incredible yolk's going to do is give us this nice richness we're looking for our empanada dough. Beat those together and straight into our flour and butter mixture. So the key here is not to overmix. We want a nice, light, flaky pastry. So you can see it's starting to come together. And now we're just going to get our hands dirty and take it to the board and finish mixing it up. A little bit of bench flour. On goes our dough. We're going to knead just until this comes together. Now that our flour is all incorporated, we have a beautiful, soft, rich-looking dough, thanks to those BC eggs. We're going to cut this in half, wrap them tightly, and put them in the fridge for about an hour. We're going to grab it, we're going to roll it out and make our discs. You have a big cutter, fantastic. If not, you can use anything. You can use a bowl. So this is a part that you can have fun with all the family. Nothing wrong with the kids coming in, helping roll, throw some flour around, make it a holiday activity. So your filling's all ready to go. You made it last night. In goes our turkey. Bind that a little bit with some of the gravy. Give a good mix. Last thing we have to do before we start prepping is make an egg wash. So the egg wash is going to seal up our empanadas and keep all these delicious ingredients on the inside. And then afterwards, we're going to use the same egg wash to brush the outside so we have a nice even brown. I'm just going to paint around the edge. We're going to add some of our turkey mixture, potatoes, stuffing, Brussels sprouts, jalapeno jack cheese. It's one of those things where you want it full, but you don't want to overfill it, right? So practice makes perfect. From here, you can seal however you like. I like to do just the traditional way. Take a fork and press down around the edges and really seal up that empanada. Our empanadas are looking fantastic. They're ready to go to the oven, but first, those egg whites, we're gonna brush some right on top, and that's gonna give us this beautiful, even coating brown. Just a couple little holes, because we want our dough to stay nice and crispy. All that's left is to go straight to the oven. Our empanadas are browning perfectly in the oven. We've got that leftover cranberry sauce, but we're gonna jazz it up just a little bit. Add a little bit of olive oil to our pan. Some diced jalapeno pepper. We're gonna give it 1 minute. In goes our cranberries, lime zest, lime juice. There we have the perfect side to our beautiful turkey empanadas that I think are ready to come out right now. Tender, savory empanadas with a spicy citrus kick. Thanks for cooking with me and BC Egg. See you next time.